How to verify your age on TikTok. In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to simply show you how to verify your age on TikTok and confirm your age. So right here is the homepage of my TikTok app. The first step you need to take is to click on your profile icon like this. Then go ahead and click on the three line icon at the top right corner of your screen. Click on settings and privacy like this. Scroll to the very bottom. Looking here, you can see help center. So you need to go ahead and click on help center like this. So looking here, you can see frequently asked questions here and other questions you can actually ask TikTok. So here you need to go ahead and click on those first one here which says report a problem. So right here, looking here on the screen, you can see where it says you can also contact us through our online reporting form. So you need to go ahead and click on online reporting form like this. Now right here you can see where it says topic. You need to go ahead and click on that. Now looking here, you can see change date of birth. You can go ahead and click on that, and then looking here you can see update birth dates. So you can go ahead and click on that at the bottom of the screen like this, and then go ahead and click on open TikTok. So yeah, you can go ahead and change your date of birth. You can change your date of birth here and click on next. So looking here, you can see two different methods you can use to verify your age on TikTok. You can use selfie with ID, which means that you are going to face the camera, verify your face, ID, and also use a document, either your voter's card or your driver's license or your international passport, in order to verify your age. And also you can use credit card authorization if you don't want to use selfie or ID. These are the options you can use to verify your age on TikTok by just simply selecting any one of your choice, and you're going to be able to follow the process and verify your age on TikTok. So hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. It has been Daniel. See you in the next one.